Taycan Turbo GT with Wysick package. From $230,000. Sedan. Cross Turismo. Change model. Build your Porsche. New and used inventory. Range. Manufacturer's suggested retail price. Excludes options, taxes, title, registration, delivery, processing and handling fee. Dealer charges. Dealer sets actual selling price. To 0.1s. 0 to 60 miles per hour. With launch control. 760 kilowatts. 1019 horsepower. Overboost power with launch control up to kilowatts. Overboost power with launch control up to HP. 190 mph. Top track speed with summer tires. Technical specs. Taycan. Porsche Taycan Turbo GT. Wysick packet in purple sky metallic stet. Neben Taycan Turbo GT in Blue metallic off Salzy. Overfeel. The indescribable feeling of sitting in an outstanding electric sports car. The new Taycan Turbo GT with Wysick package takes performance to new heights. The lightweight construction is even more agile and even faster on the Nordschleife. 7 minutes 7 seconds and 55 milliseconds. Minutes. Porsche Taycan Turbo GT. Wysick packet in purple sky metallic stet off Salzy. Blick off front and seat. Videos like Porsche Taycan Turbo GT mit Wysick packet. Taycan Turbo GT with Wysick package highlights. Experience Nordschleife performance at a standstill. Porsche Taycan Turbo GT mit Wysick packet in purple sky metallic. Blick off front and seat. Start 360 view. Play. 0 o'clock. 0 o'clock. 007. Unmute. Settings. Enter full screen. Play. Maximum electrical performance. Not a concept vehicle. Not a vision of the future. The Taycan Turbo GT and the Taycan Turbo GT with Wysick package is ready to demonstrate their outstanding Porsche e-performance. Engine and transmission. Battery and charging. Chassis. Porsche e-performance. More about ranges. Charging time. 18 minutes. Charge Porsche. More about our charging solutions. Porsche is expanding the model lineup of its all-electric sports sedan to include the Taycan Turbo GT and the Taycan Turbo GT with Wysick package. The latter is built for the track and dispenses with the rear seats in favor of an even better power-to-weight ratio. At peak power, both models can deliver more than 1,100 PS1. Taycan Turbo GT WLTP. Power consumption combined 21.6 to 20.7 kilowatt-hours. 100 kilometers WLTP. Co-emissions combined 0 grams per kilometer. CO class. A Taycan Turbo GT with Wysick package WLTP. Power consumption combined 21.3 to 20.6 kilowatt-hours. 100 kilometers WLTP. CO emissions combined 0 grams per kilometer. CO class. In combination with various lightweight construction and aerodynamics measures, these all-electric GT sports cars raise the bar in terms of driving dynamics. A more powerful and efficient pulse inverter that uses silicon carbide as the semiconductor material is used on the rear axle. The first Taycan Turbo GT models should be delivered to customers from this spring. Not yet on the market, but already a record holder. The Taycan Turbo GT with Wysick package and the title of fastest electric series production car at the WeatherTech